Hey guys, Alex here with a carbon detail supply video. The boy Ryan, FD10 himself, did come out with this line in collaboration with Armor Blending, okay? So this great little label here, it's a lot of teal and pink situations. So we're gonna use this to knock out the Tiguan wheels, which have been quite neglected, and I think this is gonna be the ticket to get those looking fresh, okay? So this is a wheel and tire all-in-one solution. Now, the Tiguan is getting new tires, so I'm not overly worried about getting the tires clean. I just want to get the wheel clean, okay? So on the back of here, it's actually explicitly stated for the dilution ratios. So to cover heavy duty 2:1, medium duty 3:1, low maintenance 4:1. So a 2:1, he actually obviously added how much water and how much product you should be putting in a 16-ounce bottle. For 2:1, you'd have 5 and 11, okay? For 2:1 and a 32, you'd have 11 and 21. You can read the rest. So a lot of dilution calculators online, but these wheels, I'm gonna do 2:1 because it explicitly says here, 2:1, bit more effective than 1:1. And because I'm bougie, because I'm cool, I'm gonna put it in a foam cannon, really get it on there. I don't wanna be pumping and spraying. So Ryan, if you don't like that, oh well, I'm having fun, okay? We're just out here having fun. So we're gonna go ahead, knock this out in the foam cannon and see how it looks. Alrighty guys, so I have the Carbon Detail Supply all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. It's gonna work out to about a 3:1 dilution in the foam cannon, again, because I'm bougie. All right, so the front right wheel here on the Tiguan, very neglected, okay? You can see the brake dust there. This is by far the most hammered wheel, in addition to the front right. So I'm not gonna pre-soak it. Again, the tires are getting replaced, so I'm not overly worried about swapping or getting those nice and clean, but in true CDS spirit, we're gonna use the teal and blue Detail Factory large tire brush to get in the tire. And then again, just a superficial clean on the face. Might get in the barrels a little bit after, but we're gonna use the TRC wheel and body brush here. So let's go ahead and foam it down. All right, so first impressions, it's very, very thick at roughly that 3:1 dilution. We're gonna let that cook here for a minute and then give it a good scrub. All right, so I did change my mind. I did grab a little mini wheelbarrow brush. I am gonna hit the barrels here just a bit. As much as I can, obviously can't get past the brake caliper there. Oh no, that just came off. That's all right. Slide that back on. Has a little button on there, I just hadn't done that up. Again, we're just having fun. So overall, you're gonna notice there's no purple coming off of this wheel. That's because there's not that iron remover quality to this wheel and tire cleaner, okay? This is just a hell of a cleaner. And my goodness, that stuff is black coming off of that in those barrels. So I think Ryan definitely got a winner here. Set that aside. Give that a scrub here. Out the tire. Give her a rinse. All right, so it's a quick video on this absolute banger, the Carbon Detail Supply all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. Now, Ryan did a bang-up job with those fellas over at Armor Blending, okay? This is a one-off product, okay? This is not just your mama's box cake, all right? As you saw, the wheel came out very, very good. Did I miss a couple spots? Yes, I can hit it again, but that's just me, okay? The product itself with very little agitation did very, very well, even on a very neglected wheel. So again, I'll throw the website on here, right at the bottom, carbondetailsupply.com. Have in the description as well. Ryan, FD10 himself, did an amazing job with this. Definitely check that out. And if you hadn't seen it, the Detail Grind podcast, we also did have Ryan on there as well. So drop a like, comment if that's what you're into, and subscribe if you're feeling froggy. We'll see you in the next video.